Okay, so these are our farm owners taking a couch out. Send that to me. God, he's so cute. Okay, so this is awesome. This is like tractor driving XP. I don't know. They're yelling in anger. There's like these bones on his arm and stuff. I'd be scared I would drop it.
Let it down some. You gonna stay? Let it down. You're gonna catch on his lip. Yeah, it's all right.
That's stupid.
You don't have to back out of it now.
Isn't that delicious? We're in a Kubota at the moment, see? There's our Kubota we're in. It's actually not ours. It's that guy's. Oh yeah, it is. It's ours. See?
We're renting it.
We're renting it for a year.
Right. Oh my god, don't tell me that's my dad. Oh my god, my dad!